5, 4, 3.
But if they're showing it's NY Amazing is any suggestion of their defense, it might not be the best in this tournament this month, Judo.
Yes, HD Family had the best all-around stats from the pre-qualifier. There was actually only Tompanai, which had a higher average destruction than them. But we do have a Super Witch attack here. It's a little bit off the meta, I would say. But this is Kwan's favorite attack, and we seen him 3-star with it yesterday. So I'm interested as to whether he can get this to work again. But he's lost 2 healers already, Woody, which is huge for a ground-based attack. You really need those witches, and you can see his reaction there. Panic setting in at this stage, and I'm not sure how he can do this. That is very, very costly.
A really brutal slap in the face, especially with Super Witches requiring so much time to go the distance. Still, he's going to give it his all. The Battle Blimp makes it into the Town Hall. A giant bomb explodes, but the payload will still be delivered. Chipping damage in bit by bit. The Town Hall is finished off, and the main phase of the attack seems to be starting soon from the top left corner. He's already deployed his jump spell and will very shortly after be following in with the attack. Here they come. The Super Witches have been dropped, and they will be spawning up those big boys momentarily.
Oh, I'm a little bit concerned on time here, Woody. I must admit the Super Witches were dropped at 1 minute and 40. Normally, we like to see Super Witches around about the 2-minute mark because, like you said, they are quite a slow troop. Now, as long as the healers he has remaining is enough to keep all 4 Super Witches alive, then he could still get this done. Because since they are such a huge housing space investment, you really do need the DPS that you get from having multiple of them. I note that 1 is very low on health, but it's clinging on here, and he is just about getting through this base.
Judo, I have a question for you. I noticed that this jump spell here dropped by Kian did not open up that right corner compartment, or did it just barely?
I think the one to the multi-target Inferno, it has not, because he really needed to force the troops down towards the single target Inferno first. The Queen can reach the multi-target Inferno from the inside compartment. She's not quite going there. Royal Champion moves on in. He's still got a couple of spells, but as you can see, Woody, time is ticking. Now the percentage is going up fast. I still think this looks pretty good for him, to be honest, if he can use the Royal Champion ability and the spells, get the remaining cleanup troops in, but he still has troops. With only 12 seconds remaining, he's holding the Royal Champion ability for as long as possible, but is it enough? 5, 4, 3, oh my word, it is going to be a time fail, but it's a 99%, Woody, which means KOG are 1 percentage point in the lead at this stage.